Good morning, guys. We're going to work now and we'll be just walking because my bike is broken. Good evening, guys. Yeah, at the moment I'm here in the dark. I'm actually waiting for the bus. Yeah, 3 days that whenever I finish my duty, I'm waiting here. Yeah, I think that's the last trip going to Pingal Bay. You know, I need to do this for me, for the bus driver see me. Yeah, it's good. See you later.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, so basically from my workplace, it was around 3 to 5 minutes walk to the bus stop, and then from the bus stop by the bus to reach this place is around the same 5 to 7 minutes, and I will be here in the center of Nelson Bay in front of Woolworth. Close today at 9 p.m. The time now is around 9:35. Yeah, if you look at that, there's no one inside, but it's open as in you can see what is inside. There are some people, they are fixing the display. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Yeah, it is now 9:30. I'm actually cooking my lunch breakfast. Garlic, oh, it's burning. Here in the microwave. Oh, yeah, I'm going to chop this again and put it there. And let's open the window. And that would be my breakfast lunch. Already 10 o'clock. My duty today is at 12 o'clock. We are gonna be walking to get to work today. It is because my bike, the electric of my bike is broken. It's not working very well. So at the moment my bike is working just like a normal push bike, and for me that is a little heavy. If you check my video from 2016, the whole 2016, I was just walking every day to get to work. I was working before in Sydney. I like it more walking in the city because in there somehow you get to see more people and there are more street. You can experiment, you can explore places while walking, going to the workplace. In here, not so much. Someone is going down. This is hard. I can't imagine I'll be living on that on that side of the mountain. It's very high. Biking going up there every day or walking going up there every day will be difficult. Traffic is building a little bit because some people are trying to cross the other side. I also walked yesterday, and when I get to my workplace, people see me and they are asking, "Why are you walking? Where is your bike?" Yeah, even along the way there are some people who recognize me, and when I greet them, "Good morning," and they said, "What is your bike?" I said it's broken. There are so many trees here in Australia. They are protected. I don't know if these trees are planted or is naturally grows up here. I don't know, because most of these trees are not fruit trees. In the Philippines there are fruit trees scattered everywhere, in the residential, in the forest, things like that. I think what they do here is that it's organized. If there are fruit trees that is growing up there, they will cut it, because the fruit trees, they grow everywhere, because the birds, they carry the fruits, the seed, and they dump it somewhere, they chuck it there, and it will grow there. But in here, I think if something fruit trees growing up somewhere around, they will cut it because they will think it is going to destroy the, I don't know, maybe. You know what I mean. A lot of people here at the moment, they are relaxing with their dogs. Some parts of the beach, dog is not allowed. Look at that. A lot of people are moving, a lot of activities going on. There are paddle boarder, there are people fishing, kayaking, yeah, swimming. Amazing. Sport a day. Yeah, more. It is easier to sing along while I'm on my bike than walking. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, I'm more comfortable of, singing along with the music when I'm on my electric bike than when I am walking like this. Because with my electric bike, it feels like I'm just walking. I don't know. It feels like I am just sitting, very relaxed. There are many people here, and most of them are not local because it is holiday, so a lot of visitors are coming here to see the place. And this is how it is. Yeah, if you look in there, there's so much people. Yeah, the place is very alive, very good. This part of Port Stephen, yeah, this side of Salamander Bay, Corlett, Nelson Bay, Shoal Bay, Fingal Bay, most of the shore area are like a beach. I mean, you can just jump and swim. If you compare to the area of the, what is that, the Soldiers Point, there are parts there, big parts of the shore that is not swimmable. I mean, there is a sudden dip, but in here the water is like a swimming pool water, so it is really amazing. Just if you live in this house, you can just get down here and you have this very clear water, similar to the swimming pool, but it's big. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are going to work now, and the same like the previous days, we are still keep on walking because the bike, mate. Yeah. The good thing about this of me walking is that I get to see very details of everything that I am seeing here. If I am not mistaken, I have been walking for maybe 4, 5, almost 1 week. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, look at this. I don't know if you can see that. For sure there are some, inside insects or, yeah. Well, yeah. This time we're going to pass in here in the beach. Moment, a lot of people are walking their dogs. Look at this. This is what makes it looks dirty, but to be honest, it's still clean. As you can see, the water is very clear. Just because of this, the plants, dried plants coming from underwater, yeah, let's make it looks not really the best. This area that I am showing you, this is the best part. When I'm on my bike, I'm always passing there and I'm always showing it to you. Yeah, just like this. This is beautiful. And yeah, we get closer in this tree. Oh, sad, this tree is dying. There's no leaves. I don't know if it is going to survive, but this one, look at this. I'm seeing a lot of people who are taking photos with this. they climb up there. Yeah. Okay, we keep on walking. A lot of people are walking their dogs. Really nice. That is the toilet, and this is the one. Yeah. To the limit, to the one, for a chance to be with you, I gotta risk it all. Yeah, I'm already checking the different website here in Australia for electric bike. But I'm still hopeful that the seller of my bike, because I contacted him and he said that yeah, they were going to do something about it, but he's in China at the moment, so we can't really have a nice conversation about that bike. Yeah, it's like that. And these past few weeks is really frustrating. I am frustrated. Frustrated. Oh, that's the first time I used that word. Yeah. Eh, yeah.